Greetings, gladiators. Today, for this week, what you're going to have to do is going to look a little bit different. Each of you is going to be given a Google slide presentation. And in that presentation, in each slide, there is something for you to do. You're going to have to watch a video on slide 2. You're going to have to answer some questions on slide 3. Then you'll have another short video on slide 4, which is giving you directions of how to fill out the guided notes on slides 5 and 6. You'll have an interactive activity where you have to drag some words on slide 7, and then you'll have a category sort on assets and liabilities on slide 9. So what you must complete, your graded assignments for this week are slide 3, 5 and 6, 7 and 9. And this is what your presentation will look like when you receive it. So again, this is what it's gonna look like, and these are your activities all in one place. So the first thing you're gonna do is watch this video. You're gonna look at what is wealth and who Antoine Walker is and what happened to him in his life. You have 4 questions that you will have to answer. These questions, all you have to do to answer them is actually grab the text box right here. And I'm getting on here, sorry, I'm on this document. You're gonna grab the text box. I'm not quite sure why it's not letting me do that. There we go. You're gonna grab that text box and you're gonna explain to me who he was. So you can actually just start typing who Antoine Walker was. Then you will grab another text box and you will answer the question, what are some of the things he spent money on, etc. Once you are done with that, you will have a short video on slide 4 where Ms. King is explaining some notes on what assets versus liabilities are, and you will have to just click on the table and start typing those notes as you see in the video, explaining that to you. So slides 5 and 6 need to be completed. As soon as you are done with those, then you're going to jump to slide 7. And on slide 7, you'll read some statements. You will read some statements. And the statement says, if a person acquires more assets, then their net worth will it increase or will it decrease? Well, you can grab whatever word you think that it matches, and you can actually slide the word, increase or decrease. I'm not quite sure why this keeps going back and forth, but you can actually click on the word and it will slide. All right, once you get to activity 2, you're going to have an assets and liabilities sort. And when you get to the assets and liabilities sort, once again, it's a drag activity where you take the word savings, and based on what you learned about assets and liabilities, you will either place it in the category of liabilities, or you can move it and place it in the categories of assets. Make sure that you make that decision. You will have several examples that you have to place in the correct category. So once you are done with all of those slides, gladiators, then you are done with this week. Have a great day. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, Google Classroom, or join our Zoom sessions on Tuesday. Bye.